Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, you are welcome to the Northeast region, a region born out of the visionary and sterling leadership of the President. Thank you for making your word your bond. You simply have no equal in our country's history when it comes to development and genuine desire to move Ghana forward. You have proven to be selfless in dealing with all manner of people in this country. Keep it up. Your ability to make yourself accessible to the electorates and addressing major developmental concerns are simply amazing. Keep it up. I wish to conclude my speech by reiterating the fact that peace is the bedrock of development. I therefore wish to call on the Anofos and the Konkombas to continue to observe the truth while steps are taken by government and other state institutions to broker enduring peace between the two feuding parties.
I came here today not only to inaugurate the region, but also to appeal to you that the old statement that there is strength in unity. United we stand, divided we fall. And let us go about the beginning, the construction of this new region with this single, undivided objective that we're going to build a great new region. In the years to come, when people look back on what has happened, they'll say, yes, in the time of the Nairi, now Bohugu, Abdullahi Sheriga, and Nana Akufo-Addo as president, the Northeast region took off and we gave a great development.
We Bumpurugu people in Bumpurugu district, we were blind. But now, I think you have already been opening our one eye. I think we thank God for this one eye. We can use it to make ourselves comfortable. And we those pray for you, and Paul are basing for you, pastors pray for you, imams are praying for you. I am assuring you, where you yourself was not even thinking to reach, you will pass there.
Let me take the opportunity to say how big thank you once again to you and the people of Chereponi, that despite the late hour, you're still out here in such large numbers to receive me and my delegation.
Golkan fa hen kina ban